What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to have a detailed review of Urban Armor Gear cases for Apple iPhone 15. So we will talk about all of their design, build quality, features and which one you should buy based on your preference and necessities. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. Anker is offering 20% discount site-wide on its USB Type-C charging solutions, so the link and the discount code is given in the description of this video below. So if you are interested, do not forget to hit that link and get the 20% discount on Anker's USB Type-C charging solutions for your smartphone as well as tablet and laptops.
Introducing the Anker Nano Series. The fastest charge for your USB-C iPhone and everyday devices. Search Anker USB-C charger on Amazon now.
So first of all, let's start with the flagship Monarch Pro series cases for Apple iPhone 15 from Urban Armor Gear. So the Monarch Pro cases for Apple iPhone 15 come basically in two different packaging based on the material used. So what we got here is the regular Monarch Pro and the Monarch Pro Kevlar. The regular Monarch Pro is once again divided in two categories based on the material. So one of them comes with the carbon fiber and another one with the top grain leather. So here we got the Monarch Pro Kevlar and here we got the Monarch Pro with carbon fiber. Both of these come with 25 feet drop protection. They are made of 5 layers of different materials. Both of them come with 10-year warranty. They got built-in magnetic MagSafe module and the design is same as well. And both of them come with the shock resistant core, the signature armor frame, a polycarbonate shear plate. We got the traction grip and very tactile oversized buttons for our iPhone 15. The only difference we got is in terms of material used around the MagSafe module. Here we got the carbon fiber. You will also get the top grain leather option for the regular Monarch Pro case, and then we got the Monarch Pro Kevlar case for iPhone 15. Once you put the device inside, you can see it's perfectly fitting. You got perfectly placed cutouts for the slots, speaker grill. The buttons are very clicky. It feels so tactile. They respond to all of the clicks and presses. It's so good. And you also got the cutout for the ringer button here. The area around the camera module is a bit lifted, so the lens is going to be protected if you accidentally drop your device with the Monarch Pro case on it. The same goes with the display as well. The area surrounding the display is raised from the corners and edges, so once again, if you drop your device with the Monarch Pro case on it, then it will protect the display of your iPhone 15. And considering the fact that it provides huge amount of grip because of these traction grips and the rugged body on the back, there is a very less probability that you will actually drop this case. The Monarch Pro cases come with the lanyard anchor point, so if you want, you can also connect a lanyard with your Monarch Pro case for iPhone 15 here. It feels so good while holding the device in hand with this case on. It's very premium looking and the build quality is super solid, and because of that, it is the flagship Urban Armor Gear case for Apple iPhone 15. All of the Monarch Pro series cases come with 10-year warranty, so you can get the idea of the durability of these cases here. And as you can see, it is MagSafe compatible as well, and it is working perfectly with our Urban Armor Gear MagSafe compatible wireless power bank. And the magnet is very strong. As you can see, it is not falling off even when I'm shaking the phone violently here. Now let's talk about the Pathfinder series. It also comes in two different variants. One of them is the regular Pathfinder that comes in different solid colors, and the another one is Pathfinder clear cases with transparent back panel. Both of them come with 18 feet drop protection. They got built-in magnet for MagSafe compatible accessories. They are made from recycled materials. The Pathfinder clear case comes with 25% recycled materials, while the Pathfinder series with solid colors comes with 50% recycled materials. So if you are a nature lover and you want to reduce your carbon footprint, then the regular Pathfinder is the better option for you instead of the Pathfinder clear case. Both of them come with the hex core pattern that provides very nice grip as well as protection to the device. We got the traction grip on the sides and oversized tactile buttons, perfectly placed cutouts for slots and ports as well as for lanyards, and both of them come with the built-in magnetic module for MagSafe compatible accessories. Once you put the device inside, you can see that the Pathfinder clear case will allow you to show off the color of your beautiful iPhone 15 while it won't be possible on the regular Pathfinder case. But if you want more environmental friendly case, then the regular Pathfinder case for iPhone 15 is the better option. The area around the camera module is raised a lot to provide the protection to the camera module, as you can see here. The same goes with the display as well. The area surrounding the display is quite raised to provide the protection to the device if you drop it accidentally. And we got these oversized buttons that provide very nice tactile feeling while pressing these buttons. It feels so good and tactile for sure. And once again, as you can see, the magnetic MagSafe module is working perfectly with our Urban Armor Gear MagSafe compatible wireless power bank with our iPhone 15 here. The magnet used on Pathfinder series is pretty strong. As you can see, even after shaking it violently, the magnetic module is holding the power bank here perfectly, and it is still working, still charging even after shaking it a lot. Both of these Pathfinder series cases for iPhone 15 come with an ultra lightweight armor shell, impact resistant frame, and the TPU bumpers to provide protection to your iPhone 15 from every angle. While the regular Pathfinder case for iPhone 15 comes with composite construction, we got the co-molded design on the Pathfinder clear case because of its clear design and construction. The next one we got here is the Metropolis Lite iPhone 15 case from Urban Armor Gear, and this is also premium case as it comes with the Kevlar material. It provides 18 feet drop protection. We got built-in magnetic module for MagSafe compatible accessories, and it is also made of 50% recycled materials. It comes with a strong TPU frame and an impact observing inner core that is also military standard 810G 516.6 certified, and the design of the Metropolis Lite is patent pending, as you can see here. One unique thing about the design of Metropolis Lite is that unlike other MagSafe compatible smartphone cases, it does not come with a visible MagSafe module, even though it comes with a powerful magnetic module. The majority of the back of Metropolis Lite is the dew point Kevlar fiber inlay, so the amount of Kevlar used is pretty impressive here on Metropolis Lite, and it will provide great protection to your iPhone 15 for sure. Once again, we got the military standard 810G 516.6 branding on the back of Metropolis Lite case, as well as the Urban Armor Gear branding at the bottom right corner. Once you put your iPhone 15 inside the Metropolis Lite case, you can see it is fitting perfectly from every angle. All slots and ports are provided perfectly. The buttons are very clicky and tactile and provide a very nice user experience while pressing them. The grip on the device is pretty solid, especially because of the huge Kevlar pattern on the back of the device. So once you hold the device in your hand with this case, you will get a very solid grip. So there is very less probability that you will drop this case with your device accidentally, and even if you drop it, it will be pretty protected for sure, as it comes with raised edges for the camera module as well as for the display. So if you want a minimalist looking case for your iPhone 15 but still with premium material and superior protection, then the Metropolis Lite is the case for you. And once again, it works perfectly with the MagSafe compatible accessories, and the magnet on this case as well is pretty solid like any other Urban Armor Gear MagSafe compatible cases. The next one we got here is the civilian case for iPhone 15 from Urban Armor Gear. It comes with 20 feet drop protection as well as built-in magnetic module for MagSafe accessories. Just like the Metropolis Lite, it also comes with the hidden magnetic module for MagSafe accessories. The civilian series case for iPhone 15 comes with a co-molded lightweight armor shell with a hex cushion, shock absorbing soft core that looks quite beautiful, and we got this 3D pattern. If you move your finger, you can feel it on the back of the case, and it provides very solid protection to the device. The patent is also pending for its design, and unlike other Urban Armor Gear cases, the civilian case comes in 2 color tones. We got this fancy looking eye-catching orange tone on the back of the case, giving a unique identity to the civilian case here. Once you put the case on your iPhone 15, it looks quite beautiful because of these eye-catching orange color element and the minimalistic looking back panel. We got perfectly placed slots and ports for USB Type-C port, speaker grills. The buttons provided are very clicky and tactile, and it feels so good while pressing them. And once again, we got the raised surface area around the camera module as well as around the display to provide a solid protection to the device, and that's why it comes with a superior 25 feet drop protection for your iPhone 15. We got the anchor points for the lanyards and a very superior grip while holding the iPhone 15 in hand with the civilian case on it. It is also very lightweight, and it does not add any kind of bulk to the device while providing overall great protection to the device. And it is also MagSafe compatible and works perfectly with our Urban Armor Gear wireless power bank that is also MagSafe compatible. Even though hidden, the magnetic module is pretty strong, as you can see here, so the MagSafe accessories will not fall out of your iPhone 15 in any case if you use the civilian case on your iPhone 15. The next one we got here is the Monarch Kevlar series iPhone 15 case from Urban Armor Gear. It comes with 20 feet drop protection, 2x military standard 810G516.6 certification, and it is built with dew point Kevlar. So the design of Monarch Kevlar series is very eye-catching. It looks super sturdy and rugged as well, and just by looking at it you can say that your device is going to be protected with this case here. It comes with 5 layers of premium protection. So what we got here is the signature Urban Armor Gear armor frame with dual point Kevlar, a shock resistant core for which the patent is pending, polycarbonate shear plate, impact resistant rubber surrounding, and the alloy metal hardware. So your device is going to be fully protected with the Monarch Kevlar series case for iPhone 15, as it comes with a very nice traction grip that provides superior grip while holding the case with your device in hand, as the camera module is going to be fully protected as the surface area surrounding it is raised a lot on the Monarch Kevlar case, and the same goes with the display as well, as we got the raised screen surrounding area to provide the protection to the display from accidental drops. The keys are very big in size, they are very tactile, provide a very nice experience and nice clicky sound. Unlike other Urban Armor Gear cases, the Monarch Kevlar case does not come with the MagSafe compatibility, but it is still wireless compatible and you can easily charge it with any compatible wireless charger. The next one we got here is the Essential Armor Case for iPhone 15. It comes with 15 feet drop protection, military standard 810G516.6 certification. It comes with built-in magnetic module for MagSafe compatible accessories, and it is also made from 50% recycled materials. So the Essential Armor Case is very lightweight and it is quite slim as well from every angle. Once again, we got the patent pending hex core design on the interior and kind of hidden magnetic module for MagSafe compatible accessories. We got the UAG branding, and unlike majority of the Urban Armor Gear cases for iPhone 15, it does not come with the lanyard anchor spots. Once you put the device inside the Essential Armor Case, you can feel that because of the slim and lightweight design, it does not add any kind of bulk on your iPhone 15 while still providing a nice protection to the device, as it comes with raised edges for the camera module as well as for the display, and the edges are particularly designed to provide protection to the device from accidental drops, as you can see here. It also comes with built-in magnetic module for MagSafe compatible accessories, and as you can see, once again, it is working perfectly with our Urban Armor Gear wireless power bank, and the magnet is once again pretty strong here. So if you want a slim and lightweight case for your iPhone 15 without adding any kind of bulk, but still you want superior protection for your device, then the Essential Armor is a nice option for you. The next one we got here is the Plyo case for iPhone 15 from Urban Armor Gear. It comes with 16 feet drop protection, military standard certification, and built-in magnetic module for MagSafe compatible accessories. So as you can see that it comes with this huge magnetic module for the MagSafe compatible accessories, and because of the fully transparent design, if you want a case to show off the beautiful color of your iPhone 15, then this is the best option for you for sure. It comes with a TPU shock absorbing frame and the polycarbonate backplate to provide overall protection to your device without adding any bulk to it and showing off its beautiful design and colors. We got the armor shell and air soft cushioned corner to provide protection from accidental drops to your iPhone 15. It comes with anti-yellowing properties, so you do not need to worry about this case getting yellow and ugly very soon once you start using it with your iPhone 15. It also comes with scratch resistant skid pads to provide overall solid grip to the device, and once you put the device inside, you can see it allows you to show off the beautiful design and color of your smartphone in its full glory. Once again, the camera module is fully protected. The same goes with the display, and we got perfectly placed cutouts for the slots and ports. And again, it is MagSafe compatible as well and works perfectly with our Urban Armor Gear MagSafe compatible wireless power bank. The magnetic module is super strong, as you can see here. Your magnetic accessories are never going to fall out of your iPhone 15 if you use the Urban Armor Gear Plyo case with your device. So if you want a case for your iPhone 15 to show off its beautiful design and colors while getting superior protection and MagSafe feature, then Plyo series case from Urban Armor Gear is a nice option for you for sure. After watching this video, if you would like to buy any of these cases for your iPhone 15, then you can visit the links given in the description of this video below. And the last one we got here today is the plasma case for iPhone 15 from Urban Armor Gear that comes with 16 feet drop tested and military standard 810G certification. It comes with the signature UAG armor frame along with the translucent hexagonal design that looks quite beautiful and unique. We got the enhanced TPU protection on the sides and the edges and the ultra lightweight impact frame to provide superior protection to your iPhone 15. We got very solid traction grip on this part on the sides of the plasma case, so you get very solid grip while holding the iPhone 15 with plasma case from Urban Armor Gear. Once you put the device inside, you can see it also allows you to show off the design color of your smartphone in some extent, a bit less compared to the Plyo series for sure, but still enough to show off your device. The Plasma series case also comes with the lanyard anchor points and perfectly placed cutouts for the slots and ports. Like all of the Urban Armor Gear cases, the buttons are very clicky, very tactile, and it feels so good while pressing them. The camera module is protected by the raised edges, and the same goes with the display as well. As you can see that we got raised edges all over the display to provide the protection to screen from accidental drops. It does not come with the MagSafe compatibility, but it is still wireless charging compatible. So which case out of these Urban Armor Gear cases you liked for your iPhone 15? Feel free to share your feedback in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.